I chose Furman because of the faculty. I fell in love with every teacher that I talked to, and I felt like they really wanted me to come here and wanted me to find a sense of community.
So I probably picked Furman because of the close-knit community and how everyone has like a place, and I don't think anyone's like left behind or anything.
Furman's a huge campus and like the wide variety of activities and clubs, just everything that's going on. It makes it feel like a bigger university. So I really get the best of both worlds by coming to Furman.
So I chose Furman because I really liked the environment of the campus, the small school, and the liberal arts studying programs.
So one, the landscape is just beautiful and it's not too far from home for me. And just all the opportunities that Furman has kind of presented my way has made it just kind of feel right at home, and I know this will be a place where I'll thrive. So I'm very excited.
Now, I picked Furman University because of the people. I remember my first day here. A guy in sweatpants and sweatshirt, his name was Chase Harris, he came up to me and gave me his number and said, hey, if you ever want to learn anything more about Furman, reach out to me. He didn't have to do that, but it was really that act of kindness and appreciation for people that were even considering Furman at the time. That kind of drew me here.